Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Google Chrome installer failed to start error on Windows. First, press the Windows key, search for Registry Editor, then open it as an administrator. In Registry Editor, navigate to the following location. HKY Current User. Then open the Software folder and find the Google folder. Right-click the Google folder and select Properties. Go to the Security tab, then click Advanced. Next, click Change next to the Owner field. In the object name box, type everyone, then click Check Names and click OK. Now enable Replace Owner on subcontainers and objects. Also, check the option Replace all child object permission entries with inheritable permission entries from this object. Click Apply, then click OK. After that, repeat the same steps for this location. HKY Local Machine. Then open Software, find the Google folder, right-click it, select Properties, and apply the same ownership and permission changes. Once you've finished, close Registry Editor and restart your computer. After the restart, run the Google Chrome installer again. The installation should now complete without the error. And that's it. That's how you can fix the Google Chrome installer failed to start error on Windows. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.